Back at it again. Fishing on my lunch break. I'm gonna use a bobber on this one today. Let's see what happens. It's cooler, it's gonna rain and stuff like that, but let me start the timer. 45 minutes. Let's do a 45-minute challenge again. 45-minute challenge. Where's my clock? There you go. Actually, let's do 40. Get some time for me to get back home for work. So 40 minutes starting now. One. Do this one too. Ouch. And number 2. Both lines out. Let's see what happens. Thirty-one minutes left. I'm gonna grab my bait caster and I'm gonna throw this little spinner on there. I'm gonna put a little paddle tail on it too. Here it is. I'm gonna go with this guy. My bait caster, see what happens. "24 minutes. "22 minutes left, and the rain is starting. Well, I'm underneath here, underneath my car, so I'll be all right. Let's see. No, just got here. Yeah. Huh? Hey, you want to come and get this one? This one got one too. This one got a fish on it too, I think.
I have that.
Try to get that one.
So long.
Try to get that one. Oh, there's a nice smallmouth. Is it? Yep. Nice smallmouth. You got one in there. There. Push that back. Yep. Okay. Got a smallmouth on. There's another fish on that one.
Yeah, I feel it. It's really cold.
This young lady was just passing by, and I wanted her to. She's gonna reel it in for us. Got him up?
Yep.
That's another smallmouth. There you go.
Yeah, my left arm is so good. That's a cigarette.
All right, perfect. They're just smaller.
You throw them back or you eat them?
No, I throw them back.
Okay.
All right, perfect. Thank you.
That's cleaner than before when you got it.
The only thing is that they eat it, they swallow it most of the time. So, it's a small one. Sorry, I didn't catch your name.
Jerica.
You okay if I put you on YouTube?
Yeah.
All right,
yeah.
cool. So, yeah, she got the small one. We just doubled up. I'm gonna let this one back in. All right, one is back. The other one is still hanging.
He's like, oh, no.
The other one is still hanging. This is the other one. Number 2. Something's wrong with this dorsal fin. It's missing. Probably a pike bit it. Who knows? Put this guy back too. That way, buddy. The other way. Good. All right. He's good. Thank you. All right. Still have 16, 17 minutes left, but we got 2 on. And I don't have no more live bait, so I'm gonna put these 2 away with the bobber, and then I'm gonna throw my lure around for a little bit, see what happens. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Literally, I have about 3 minutes and 48 seconds left. I'm gonna head back home. I get an hour lunch break from work, and I had these 3 live bait left in my trunk from the last fishing trip. And I was like, let me just get out here. So it's gonna take me 10 minutes to get back home, start my work again. It seems like the bobber worked. So I'm gonna try it again with the bobber. That's what I'm gonna do. This water right here is pretty calm. Usually it's water running really fast here, and when it gets flooded it's even worse and muddy and muggy and all that stuff. But water's pretty clear, and it's starting to rain. Well, it's been raining already, but yeah. So the bobber works when the water's calm. And then we got those 2 smallmouth. Young lady came by. She was just on her lunch break too. I think she works around here somewhere. And she asked me if I catch anything. Literally 2 minutes later, we doubled up on 2 smallmouths. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, anything you guys want me to try, let me know, and I'll go ahead and try my best to make more videos and put it out there. All right, thank you guys.